Good morning. First one of the day, new client with his Honda CB1000R. This is in for one of our legendary full Monty valets with a good dose of XCP corrosion protection. Unfortunately, it's got quite a bit of rust appearing here and there. Never been properly protected. Little brackets have gone rusty, banjo bolts are rusty. Yes, just fitted that exhaust recently. We're going to give that a bit of a polish. I mean, look. Corrosion setting in everywhere. This right here, folks, is why it's so important to get your bike properly protected from new. That would have prevented all this. So we've got our work cut out for us with this one. Loads of little nuts and bolts need attention. Look at that back of that shock. It does sit in the garage, but he said it's a little bit of a damp garage, and we can tell. See all that white setting in? It's all corrosion. So we're going to give this one of our legendary full Monty valets with a good dosing of XCP clear coat. We'll polish up that exhaust, touch up a few rusty nuts and bolts, get it looking like it should, get it properly protected for the year ahead. Get all these polished up, and I am going to remove this silly warning sticker for him. So enough of my jibber jabber. Let's work a little chop magic. Oh, working my magic on these exhausts. There you go, 3 hours on the dot. This Honda CB1000R has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Quite a transformation on this beast. It sits in a garage which has a bit of moisture in it, so quite a bit of corrosion on it. The back wheel, the moisture must have got underneath the powder coating, so it was literally flaking off. So I've dusted that with a bit of black after I sanded it, put a bit of heat on it. Not perfect, but looks a hell of a lot better than it did. All that exhaust has all been mirror polished up all down the front. Look at that, it's come up as new. Touched up a few rusty brackets here and there. All those banjo bolts have all been attended to. I've just wiped down all the bodywork with the Ultimax Showtime. This is a ceramic infused cleaner, works a treat on the matte finish. Like I said, everything's been XCP'd afterwards. All that chain's been degreased, all blow dried, re-lubed back up. This engine cover here I had to paint. All the powder coating was flaking off of that as well. Looks a hell of a lot better. 3 hours on the dot. Another legendary trot full Monty valet in the books. I even mirror polished up all these levers. Look at that. Come up like new. Brake pedal. All the footrest ends, all been mirror polished. Yes, get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.